Ladies and gentlemen, our new Mercedes-Benz GLE, a real friend with benefits. Of course, this also applies to its drivetrain. Our electrified 6-cylinder gasoline engine allows fuel savings that were previously in the realm of high-voltage hybrid technology. Plus, we're in the final steps of turning our GLE into a plug-in hybrid. Our goal? A pure electric range of up to 100 kilometers. All in all, I think our lineup here in Paris underlines we want to offer a perfect match for every customer. With the Mercedes of electric vehicles, our EQC, with our expanding and exciting compact range, and with the best SUV we have ever built. Thank you very much for your attention and enjoy the Paris Auto Show. Thank you.